Hey guys, I am Cody, and are you ready for November and December's PBIS? November and December is about being kind, encouraging each other, staying safe, being responsible, and seeking to learn and understanding in the cafeteria. Let's check it out.
Bosmowski and Flambears can be kind in the cafeteria. Here's how. I can be kind by sitting with a friend, having a quiet voice, saying thank you, saying excuse me, and respecting personal space in the cafeteria. Liz and Brittany, take it from here. Let's show them.
Excuse me, Brittany. Can I sit next to you?
Okay.
Thank you.
First I drink, then I smoke. Start the car and I try to make the midnight show. Get up!
Bosmowski and Flambears can encourage each other in the cafeteria. And here's how. We can encourage each other by cleaning up, preparing our food, choosing healthy food, following school rules in the cafeteria. Let's show us again, Brittany and Liz, just how to do that.
The microphone. First, I'm going to use this.
I'm gonna have a chocolate milk today, and I'm not gonna have a bagel today. I'm all done with my bagel. I just throw this to the garbage.
I gotta rock. There's a truck ahead, not staring at my eyes. Woman, God, no time to turn. I got to laugh, 'cause I know I'm gonna die. Why? Get up! Everybody's gonna move their feet. Get down!
Bosmowski and Flambears can always stay safe in the cafeteria. Let's see how we can go about doing that. We can always stay safe by walking, pushing our chairs in, keeping our hands safe, and keeping a safe body in the cafeteria. Once again, let's have Liz and Brittany show us how it's done.
Keep my hands and my body to myself. When I get mad, I choose a sentence.
I ain't the worst that you've seen. How can't you see what
Bosmowski and Flynn Bears can show responsibility in the cafeteria. Here's just how you can go about doing that. I can show responsibility by eating only my food, and I can clean up after myself in the cafeteria. Let's have Austin and Cody show us just how to do that. Austin, are you all done eating?
Yeah.
All right, it's time to clean up. Can you throw that out for me? Thank you. Cody, are you all done eating too?
No, I'm not done eating.
Okay, cool. Can you throw your wrapper out though?
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Cody. Oh, I'm gonna help myself to some of that.
Nope. It's fine.
Bosmowski and Flynn Bears can seek to learn and understand in the cafeteria. Here's how you can go about doing that. I can seek to learn and understand by asking what is on the menu, asking about healthy food choices, and I can ask where should I sit in the cafeteria. Austin and Cody, can you show us for the last examples just how to do that?
Where I can sit.
You can sit right here at this table. Thank you, guys. Cody, you can have a seat too, right at that table. Thank you.
Is there anything healthy for lunch today?
Yeah, Cody, there is. We're going to have some fruit cups for lunch today.
Okay. Thank you everyone for watching, and go earn those bear bucks.